Going on, OG?
All right.
Say what's up to my stream with YouTube.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Good?
No, I'm not, so shut up, stupid. I already took a picture of that dummy. Little dummy. Fat dummy. I see my girl.
What's up, man?
My business birthday coming in. How you doing, sir? Welcome to Walmart. Welcome to Home Depot.
That boy clean right there. What's up, y'all? What's going on?
All right, bro.
Tell my YouTube what kind of car you got, man.
A 1971 Oldsmobile 98.
It's clean too, man.
Yeah. All steel.
Hey, talk your stuff. Missouri in the building.
Who calls this?
Oh, no, that's somebody. That's a rent. That's somebody.
What Josh called?
It do. It sure do. Got this red thing. The shrink. Pressure. What's going on, man? See, you brought the whip out, my dog.
I don't want these ugly shorts.
Got a box Chevy out here. Chevy. Regular. Stock.
No breath.
What's going on, y'all?